everyone, my name's Kris Gethin. I am the CEO of KAGED Muscle, and this is my non-training day stack. So this is what I suggest for you, and I'm gonna talk you through it right now. So during the night, I wake up a couple of times and I'm generally thirsty. So what I'll do, I'll sip on my amino synergy during the night. These are my essential amino acids, naturally flavored, naturally colored, fermented aminos that I like to have in my system to maintain muscle protein synthesis. And then when I wake up, if I'm not fasting, I'll generally have a bowl of oats, and to add to that, to ensure that I have very fast digesting protein, that's when I'll add my MicroPure Whey isolate to it. Okay, so I have good carbohydrates, very fast digesting protein. Usually I'll have vanilla flavor in it because I love milk and it's naturally flavored, so I have that in place of that. This is the time that I'll also take my pills. So Ferrodrox is in my testosterone support matrix, so I'll take 2 capsules then. Then I'll take 2 capsules of my carnosine SR, that's sustained release. So I'll have 2 of those in the morning as well. And then for my day, I will start making a gallon jug. Within that gallon jug, I pretty much have everything that you can see here. So to start off, I'll have my flavoring system, which is here somewhere, my HydroCharge, okay? So that's naturally flavored, naturally colored. It's my electrolyte and antioxidant drink that I like to have throughout the day. I want to make sure that I'm hydrated with those key electrolytes. So I'll put like 3 scoops in a gallon, and then I'll add 3 scoops of my fermented branched chain amino acids, give myself muscle energy, and then I'll put 4 scoops of fermented glutamine in there. I'll put 4 scoops of my citrulline in there, and that will give me 8 grams of pure citrulline, not citrulline malate. And then I'll finish off with 2 scoops of the KreaClear. Now that's a completely soluble creatine monohydrate that does not give me any stomach upset. So I'll have those in a gallon jug that I'll have throughout the day, okay? Then I will do my cardio on my non-training days, and during my cardio sessions, if I'm doing 1 or 2 sessions, that's when I'll have my scoop of amino synergy. Remember, that's my essential amino acids to provide muscle protein synthesis, and that is pretty much it, except like after my second, or before or after my second cardio, dependent on the time, is when I'll have my second serving of my carnosine SR, 2 more tabs. Then that's pretty much it. And then before bed, I'll have my KAGED Muscle casein. I'll have 1 scoop of that. I usually have it in a bowl. I'll mix it nice and thick. Sometimes I'll put some chopped nuts in there, and I'll generally add 1 scoop of glutamine to it today, to that as well. So that's how I start the day. That's during the night. I'll have a nice trickle feed of those amino acids in my gallon jug, and then I finish off with some more slow digesting amino acids before bed.